Some big changes are coming this tax season with the new no tax on tips rule that was created by the Trump administration's Big Beautiful Bill Act. Following the internal IRS issues and delays, the CBS News Chicago investigators first exposed this last filing season. Now our Tara Molina is asking what you need to know to start prepping. She learned that the Illinois Restaurant Association is already getting workers prepared. She brings us more from outside an IRS office in the Loop.
This brand new rule means certain workers can deduct up to $25,000 in qualifying tips from their taxes this upcoming season. We're breaking down what this means and what tax experts say you need to know now. You're looking at a list of workers who this brand new rule, dubbed no tax on tips, applies to. Bartenders, servers, hairstylists, exercise trainers, tattoo artists, industries where tipping is common.
To make sure that what you've received tips for doing is on the list of things that qualify for the deduction. 2025 is a bit of a transition year.
That's H&R Block tax researcher and expert Brittany Benson telling me they're already gearing up to help people with this change, especially since it's already late September.
A lot of questions probably going to be coming in.
Sam Toya heads the Illinois Restaurant Association and says they're prepping workers too.
Alrighty, sir.
With so many in their industry impacted by this.
No tax on tips could put up to $6.4 billion back in the pockets of the industry workforce.
But the rule change follows a tricky 2024 tax filing season. We were first to warn you about notices sent out by the IRS telling taxpayers they didn't pay their taxes, even though they did, with proof of payment by the deadline. A report released this past summer revealing a backlog of nearly 3.5 million individual tax returns and detailing staffing issues within the IRS. 22% or 9,000 employees who helped taxpayers cut so far this year. 26% or around 26,000 gone agency-wide since January. Recent reports indicate some of those workers may be rehired.
It's unacceptable.
Senator Tammy Duckworth got involved. Her office tells me they just heard back from the IRS despite reaching out to them in June. Benson's advice, in light of those issues and ahead of this change, work on tip records early and go into tax season well prepared.
It's a really good idea to start collecting your own records of your tips now, maybe working with your employer now.
We have more on the brand new rule and our past coverage of IRS issues linked in the story you'll find on our website right now, and we'll update this story if and when we hear more from the IRS on this. Reporting downtown outside of the IRS office in the Loop, I'm Tara Molina, CBS News Chicago Investigators.
Tara, thank you.